Hey everyone, Brass Goblin reloading here. So today I'm just gonna go over the basics of a um, brass cartridge. So I'm gonna tell you and show you what parts are called. Um, anyway, so let's get going. So this is the basics. So this area here, this hole right here, is referred to as a mouth. This is the neck. This area is the shoulder. And then here's the body. Okay. Now, if you look carefully on the bottom here, I can get it through. There you go. This part right here, this part right there, that's the extractor groove. That's where your extractor catches. And that's how it catches the brass. Now this part right here is the rim. Okay. But then this whole area here is called the head. All right. And if we flip it this way, this is obviously where the primer goes. So that's the primer pocket. And then this hole right there is the flash hole. That's where when the firing pin hits the primer, that's where the ignition goes through and activates the gunpowder. So there you go. That's the basics of a brass cartridge and what every single part is called.